Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: battery levels, cable connections, and distance. Once done, power cycle the switch by holding the power button for 12 seconds to clear transient Bluetooth faults, then restart. Next, perform a controller soft reset by pressing the small sync button once. This clears pairing buffers without losing updates. Make sure to remove third-party dongles or USB hubs during the first reconnect attempt because they can block signals. These immediate steps eliminate most simple causes and prepare the system for repairing. Now focus on repairing and software. Open controllers, choose Change Grip/Order. The console listens for new connections. Press and hold Sync on the controller until LEDs flash. This initiates pairing. If the controller still fails, update system firmware and controller firmware from system settings because outdated firmware often breaks handshakes. Once updated, try a wired pairing using a USB-C cable or adapter. Wired sync often resets internal connection state and lets the console reauthorize the controller reliably. Finish with advanced checks. If repairing and updates fail, perform a factory reset on the controller following manufacturer steps. This wipes stubborn configs. Also test the controller on a different switch or test a different controller on your switch to determine whether the console or controller is faulty. If the problem persists and LEDs or vibrations are inconsistent, consider replacing the internal battery or wireless module because hardware wear causes intermittent drops. Troubleshooting tip: use wired play briefly. If wired works but wireless does not, focus on RF hardware or interference diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.